So I got some amazing dresses from Meesho, all under 350 rupees, and they all give you beachy vibes, corporate vibes, and party vibes at the same time. So do not forget to subscribe me before you watch this video, and do visit my channel to see my other Meesho finds, and also you get to see a lot of videos about how to style them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new here, hi, I'm Kimsey. So I'm a beauty bestie who's always going to come up with amazing stuff, be it related to skincare, makeup or fashion. So today is a video that excites me the most because this video is about Meesho finds, and I am coming up with my favorite dresses that I got from Meesho, all under 350 rupees. So continue watching the video so that you get to know what kind of dresses did I buy. So tops and jeans अपनी जगह है, ethnic wear अपनी जगह है. I don't know why, but dresses बहुत excite करती है मुझे. I love wearing dresses and bodycon dresses, so I love. So again, scrolling every girl's other. So I was scrolling and I got amazing dresses from Meesho under 350 rupees, which you just cannot miss क्योंकि इनकी quality is amazing and it completely gives me those branded, obviously these are also branded, but this just gives me that proper new me Savana wala look. So why spend 1000-1500 on Savana? I just got it from Meesho, and believe me, I wasn't disappointed. I have already made a lot of videos from Meesho finds which are already uploaded on my channel. You can always go visit it and you can see what kind of dresses did I buy and how did I style it. And the first one is just amazing because it completely has my heart. So it's an off-shoulder dress, and oh my god, the color. So this is the off-shoulder dress. It's a long bodycon dress, and it has some amazing like orange flowers on it. I completely love it. इतनी refresh vibes, मतलब यार गोवा जाना है यार, ये ड्रेस ले लिए तो अब सबसे पहला चीज मैंने यही बोली थी when I wore this dress, and nothing can disappoint you in this dress. Amazing fit, amazing material, does not feel cringe at all. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का था. This amazing dress that I got, it's just 265 rupees. I am just waiting to style it in more ways क्योंकि this is just amazing. I know मैं बहुत तारीफ कर रही हूँ, but this dress completely has my heart. No kidding. So another bodycon dress is also an amazing find. Oh, so this is a brown bodycon dress. Again, it's a long one. So this is how it looks. Per se, the material is absolutely good. It's again a full dress, and all the dresses that I'm showing in this video are long dresses up to your ankle. So this dress I got for 280 rupees, which is just amazing. And again, the fit is completely good. It doesn't disappoint you at all. मैंने ऐसी dresses और बहुत सारे websites पे देखी थी, but जब मैंने ये रेट देखा, you know, क्लिक करने से कोई नहीं रोक पाया. So I just bought it. Again, vacation का वेट हो रहा है बस. So just amazing one. Another dress that I got from Meesho is the costliest one out of all. So this is a 350 rupees dress. So ये इसका front है. It has like, it just has this threads जो आप अपने convenience के हिसाब से tie कर सकते हो. And आगे भी there are 2 threads. इसका material is also very good. I loved it. Again, it's a long bodycon dress. Absolutely love it. And मुझे ये realize हो रहा है कि मैंने सारे गोवा के लिए कपड़े खरीद लिए हैं. And love it. Again, you can wear it in n numbers of ways. Just put on a lot of junk jewelry ready to go for a beach. Absolutely good. This costed me 345 rupees. क्या बुरा है? कुछ बुरा नहीं है इस ड्रेस में. I love it. Next one is actually a very good color. It's a wine color, and while I was browsing all the beach clothes, I wanted like a very corporate, well-dressed bodycon dress. So I came across this one. ये complete corporate vibes देगा. So this is the dress. It's a high neck with a zip on the back. Amazing dress. Again, a long one. And it also has a slit, so it has a slit below your knee. Amazing. Or again, for corporate it looks completely professional. आप उसको अपने ऑफिस में भी पहन सकते हो, and otherwise if you're going for any corporate events or you're going for an office party, perfect dress. And this dress costed me around 260 rupees. Absolutely good. And आप अपने साइज के हिसाब से ले लो. I just bought medium, but out of all the dresses that I bought were medium. But ये medium मुझे loose है, थोड़ा सा loose है, but doesn't really matter. The fit is still very good. I love it, and I would wear it in my office. I would definitely wear it in my office. This color doesn't disappoint. In fact, you have a lot of color options in this one. I went for a wine one. If you want, I can comment the link down below so that you can actually go and see other colors so that you can buy it for yourself. Do not miss this because it's a catch. Last one that I bought was a black bodycon dress, and again a full length one. It doesn't have a slit. It's very elegant dress. I love it. Perfect one for any kind of parties, and again you can style it, you can wear it to your office as well. ये सबसे cheap पड़ी है सब में से, which was 250 rupees, and material is so soft, body hugging material है, बहुत soft material है. Obviously all the materials that I showed you were good, but ये सबसे soft है out of all those. And मुझे इसकी fitting बहुत अच्छी लगी. It's a completely good buy. Do not miss it. And if you want, again, there are a lot of styling videos that are already there on my page. You can actually go explore. But please, इस पूरे process में do not forget to subscribe me, because obviously I'll be coming up with more content like this so that you can know how to style them. Because again, wearing and styling are two very different things. Styling is what you need today. एक normal bodycon dress for 250, you can style it in numbers of ways. You can create a lot of looks out of it. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक dress खरीद ली and that's it. You can make around 7-8 looks out of it, जो हर बार will make you feel like you just bought a new clothes. That were all the dresses that I bought from Meesho. You can go on my page and check other videos that are already uploaded from Meesho. And if you want, I can make more videos about it, because obviously if you find it rightly, Meesho is a place that has endless things. So I already have a few videos uploaded, and I will be uploading a few more videos. So do not forget to subscribe me so that you get along all the content that I upload. Other than this, I have also uploaded other hauls from Savannah and other brands as well. So do not forget to miss it. Subscribe me so that you do not miss, and also press that bell icon so that you are always aware when I'm uploading the video and you do not lag behind. So that was it. I just loved making this video because dresses have my heart, and obviously you can see how cute these dresses were. So that was it. Another video is also coming along very soon about my other Meesho finds. So do not miss it. Until then, bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe me. Bye bye.